Hello, my dear student. In previous video of that course number 2, laser fundamentals and its application. In this course, the last point we have seen the method of Q switching. In that, first method is a rotating mirror method, second electro-optic shutter, and third one is the acousto-optic shutter. And in this video we have discussed the line broadening. And these are the two methods or two types of that line broadening is homogeneous and non-homogeneous. Okay, then the definition of line broadening. What is the definition of line broadening? Definition of line broadening. Line broadening is the spreading across a greater wavelength. Line broadening is a spreading across a greater wavelength or frequency range of absorption lines or emission lines in the radiation received by a substance it's called line broadening. What is mean by line broadening? The spreading across a greater wavelength or frequency range of absorption lines or emission lines in the radiation received by the substance is called as a line broadening. Clear? That spreading across a greater wavelength. आता जे रेडिएशन रिसीव होता सबस्टन्स पासून that spreading across a greater wavelength. त्याची wavelength कशी असणार आहे? greater or frequency range of absorption line and or the emission lines in the radiation received from substance is called as a line broadening. And there are two general classification of that line broadening. One is a homogeneous. And in that homogeneous, all atoms behave in that homogeneous. These are the two general classification of line broadening. One is the homogeneous, and in that homogeneous all atoms behaves the same way. Homogeneous, all atoms behaves the same way. And in that second is a non-homogeneous, or simply it's inhomogeneous. Non-homogeneous. In that non-homogeneous, all atom in homogeneous, all atom behaves the same way. Then non-homogeneous, each atom, or inhomogeneous, each atom or molecule has a different G of V due to its environment. Different G of V, that is the gain factor environment. Okay, in that homogeneous all atoms behaves the same way. In non-homogeneous, each atom or molecule has a different G of V due to its environment. Okay, then in that broadening is homogeneous when affects all atoms equally. Homogeneous मध्ये in line broadening ज्यावेळेस line broadening homogeneous असेल, when broadening is homogeneous when it affects all atoms equally, and non-homogeneous when it splits them into subgroups. बघा, suppose that is broadening is homogeneous when it affects all atoms equally, and non-homogeneous when it splits them into subgroups. Broadening is homogeneous when it affects all atoms equally, and non-homogeneous when splits them into subgroup. In that, one by one, that is the homogeneous and non-homogeneous broadening. First one is the homogeneous broadening. Okay, suppose then a line broadening mechanism is referred to homogeneous. Suppose line broadening is a homogeneous when it is broaden the line each individual atom and therefore the whole system in the same way. Homogeneous मध्ये previous पण बघितला आपण की काय की all items behave like a same way. But suppose a line broadening mechanism is referred to homogeneous when it broaden lines. Broaden means to that width will be increases. Then when it is broaden means that width will be increases. Then broaden the line of each individual atom, and therefore the whole system is in the same way. काय म्हटलंय की suppose the line broadening is homogeneous when it is broadened line in each individual atom, and therefore the whole system in same way. Suppose we write the simple diagram. These are the system will be same way. These are the individual single atom bandwidth. This is the individual single atom bandwidth. These are the delta nu total laser bandwidth. Okay, then homogeneous whether the whole system is the same way. Okay, then the most important homogeneous line broadening, that this is the most important homogeneous line broadening which is the collision broadening in the gas, such as a gas laser. Most important homogeneous line broadening which is a collision broadening, in the gas, and which is a gas laser. It is due to the collision of Most important homogeneous line broadening is a collision broadening, and it is due to that collision broadening. It is due to the collision of an atom with other atom. Collision broadening, which collision broadening is the collision of an atom with other atom, with other atoms, comma, ions, free electron, or the walls of the resonator, and which known the resonator, optical resonator. In previous some video we have discussed optical resonator. Okay, we are a most important homogeneous light broadening, which is a collision broadening, and in that collision broadening in a gas or in a gas laser, such as a gas laser, it is due to the collision of an atom with other atoms, comma, ion free electron, or the walls of the resonator in a solid. आता नाही, हे गॅस लेझरसाठी झालं. in a solid it is due to the interaction of the atoms of the atom with the phonons of the crystal lattice, such as a solid state laser material, बघा, मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट होमोजेनियस लाइन ब्रॉडनिंग मध्ये आपण बघतोय कोलिजन ब्रॉडनिंग, अँड कोलिजन ब्रॉडनिंग इन ए गॅस लेझर विच इज ड्यू टू द कोलिजन ऑफ एन ॲटम विथ अदर ॲटम और आयन फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑन द वॉल्स ऑफ द रेझोनेटर, अँड देन इन ए सॉलिड इट इज ड्यू टू द इंट्रॅक्शन ऑफ ॲटम विथ द फोनॉन्स ऑफ द क्रिस्टल लॅटिस. कुठे होतं आहे? इन द सॉलिड स्टेट लेझर. These are the homogeneous broadening. Then next are the non-homogeneous broadening. Non-homogeneous broadening. Okay, जसं homogeneous मध्ये काय होत होतं की therefore whole system in a same way. In that non-homogeneous, the line broadening mechanism is referred to as non-homogeneous. Sir, line broadening mechanism refer to the non-homogeneous broadening when it leads to atomic resonance frequency being distributed. काय होता है कि atomic frequency being distributed over a band of frequencies, and therefore results in a broadened line for the system as a whole without broadening of the line, without broadening of the line of individual atoms. बघा, होमोजिनियस मध्ये काय होत होतं की इंडिव्हिज्युअल आयटम्स अँड देअर फॉर होल सिस्टीम इन द सेम वे. बट इथे होल सिस्टीम सेम वेने नाही जाणार बिकॉज द ब्रॉडन लाईन फॉर सिस्टीम ॲज होल विदाउट ब्रॉडनिंग ऑफ लाईन इंडिव्हिज्युअल आयटम विल बी डिफरंट. कसे असणार आहे त्या विल बी डिफरंट. देन ड्रॉ द ग्राफ. Simple diagram. This individual item will be separate. Does not is same, but in that non-homogeneous system it will be the same way, but it will be the different way, and that will be the, these are the delta nu. This is the individual item. Individual single item bandwidth, total laser bandwidth. These are the total laser bandwidth. ओके. बघा होमोजिनियस मध्ये काय होतं की ब्रॉडन लाईन इन इच इंडिव्हिज्युअल आयटम देअर फॉर द होल सिस्टीम इन द सेम वे. But in that non-homogeneous, that broaden line for the system as whole without broadening of the line individual item. Without broadening of the line. But इकडे काय होतं broaden of the line, and that will be the different. And in homogeneous, that will be the same way. Then in non-homogeneous, that is the Doppler broadening. बघा homogeneous मध्ये काय होतं. Homogeneous, that will be the collision, and in non-homogeneous that will be the Doppler broadening, and that equation are that mu star is equal to mu 1 plus minus v upon c. These are the Doppler effect. Classical, where c is the speed of light. C is the speed of light. V is the velocity of the atom along the direction बघा होमोजिनियस मध्ये काय होतं की कोलिजन ब्रॉडनिंग. आता इथे नॉन होमोजिनियस मध्ये काय होणार आहे डॉपलर ब्रॉडनिंग. ओके. मी इक्वेशनने दाखवलं डॉपलर इफेक्ट क्लासिकल. बट डॉपलर इफेक्ट मध्ये काय होतं की डॉपलर ब्रॉडनिंग रिझल्ट्स फ्रॉम द डिफरन्स इन द फ्रिक्वेन्सी मेजर्ड फ्रॉम द रेडिएशन इमिटेड फ्रॉम द ॲटम्स. बघा इथे काय होतं की डॉपलर ब्रॉडनिंग नॉन होमोजिनियस मध्ये डॉपलर broadening results from the difference in frequency difference in the frequencies measured from the radiation emitted from the atom okay. And that we know that Doppler effect classical to show that equation that mu star is equal to mu 1 plus minus v upon c. And that Doppler broadening results from the difference in the frequencies measured from the radiation emitted from the atoms. And these are the two classifications of homogeneous broadening and non-homogeneous broadening of line broadening.